Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating and often misunderstood topic, the role of healthy fats in the diet. For many years, fats have been vilified in the world of nutrition, often blamed for a host of health problems ranging from heart disease to obesity. However, not all fats are created equal. In fact, healthy fats are essential for numerous bodily functions and can contribute to overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the different types of fats, their benefits, how they affect our bodies, and the best sources of healthy fats to include in your diet. So get comfortable and let's embark on this comprehensive journey together. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly are fats? Fats, also known as lipids, are one of the three macronutrients, along with carbohydrates and proteins, that provide energy for our bodies. They are composed of fatty acids and glycerol and are essential for a variety of bodily functions. Fats are a concentrated source of energy, providing 9 calories per gram, which is more than double the amount provided by carbohydrates and proteins. They play a crucial role in supporting cell growth, protecting our organs, keeping our bodies warm, and aiding in the absorption of certain nutrients. There are several different types of fats, and it's important to understand the differences between them. The main types of fats include saturated fats, unsaturated fats, and trans fats. Unsaturated fats can be further divided into monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Each type of fat has a different effect on our health, and understanding these differences is key to making healthier dietary choices. Saturated fats are typically solid at room temperature and are found in animal products such as meat, dairy, and butter, as well as some tropical oils like coconut oil and palm oil. For many years, saturated fats were believed to be the main culprit behind heart disease, as they were thought to raise LDL cholesterol levels, also known as bad cholesterol. However, recent research suggests that the relationship between saturated fats and heart disease is more complex than previously thought. While it's still a good idea to consume saturated fats in moderation, they are not necessarily as harmful as once believed. Unsaturated fats, on the other hand, are generally considered to be the healthier type of fat. These fats are typically liquid at room temperature and are found in plant-based oils, nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish. Unsaturated fats are known to have a positive impact on heart health by improving cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall cardiovascular function. Monounsaturated fats are a type of unsaturated fat that is particularly beneficial for health. They are found in foods such as olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Monounsaturated fats have been shown to improve cholesterol levels by increasing HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol, and lowering LDL cholesterol. They also help to reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. Polyunsaturated fats are another type of unsaturated fat that includes omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through the diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Omega-6 fatty acids are found in vegetable oils such as sunflower, corn, and soybean oil. Both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids play important roles in brain function, growth, and development, and they have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Trans fats are the least healthy type of fat and should be avoided as much as possible. These fats are created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. Trans fats are commonly found in processed and fried foods, as well as in some margarine and shortening. They are known to raise LDL cholesterol levels, lower HDL cholesterol levels, and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Now that we've covered the different types of fats, let's explore the many benefits of healthy fats. One of the primary benefits of healthy fats is their role in supporting heart health. As mentioned earlier, unsaturated fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, help to improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. This, in turn, lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have been shown to have numerous heart health benefits, including reducing blood pressure, decreasing triglyceride levels, and preventing the formation of arterial plaques. Healthy fats also play a crucial role in brain health. The brain is composed of nearly 60% fat, and it relies on a steady supply of healthy fats to function properly. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are essential for brain health and development. They help to build and maintain cell membranes, reduce inflammation, and support the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In addition to supporting heart and brain health, healthy fats are also important for maintaining healthy skin. Fats help to keep the skin hydrated and supple by maintaining the integrity of cell membranes and supporting the production of natural oils. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Additionally, vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant found in many healthy fats, helps to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. Healthy fats also play a key role in hormone production and balance. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate many bodily functions, including metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Fats are essential for the production of steroid hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone, as well as for the synthesis of eicosanoids, which are signaling molecules that help regulate inflammation and immune function. A diet rich in healthy fats can help support hormonal balance and reduce the risk of hormonal imbalances that can lead to conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and hypothyroidism. Another important benefit of healthy fats is their role in nutrient absorption. Many essential vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning they need to be consumed with fat in order to be absorbed by the body. Without adequate fat in the diet, these vitamins cannot be properly absorbed, leading to deficiencies that can have serious health consequences. For example, vitamin D is essential for bone health, and a deficiency can lead to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. Similarly, vitamin A is important for vision and immune function, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness and an increased risk of infections. Healthy fats also play a role in weight management. While fats are more calorie-dense than carbohydrates and proteins, they can actually help with weight loss and maintenance when consumed in moderation. Fats help to slow down digestion, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, fats have been shown to increase the production of certain hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, such as leptin and adiponectin. Including healthy fats in your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of obesity-related conditions such as type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Now that we've explored the many benefits of healthy fats, let's talk about the best sources of these fats and how to incorporate them into your diet. Some of the best sources of monounsaturated fats include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Olive oil is a versatile and flavorful oil that can be used for cooking, salad dressings, and dipping. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and can be added to salads, smoothies, and sandwiches, or enjoyed on their own as a snack. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are also excellent sources of monounsaturated fats and can be enjoyed as a snack, added to yogurt or oatmeal, or used in baking. For polyunsaturated fats, fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to ensure you're getting enough omega-3s. If you don't eat fish, you can also get omega-3s from plant-based sources such as flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae supplements. Omega-6 fatty acids can be found in vegetable oils such as sunflower, corn, and soybean oil, as well as in nuts and seeds. In addition to these specific sources, it's important to include a variety of healthy fats in your diet to ensure you're getting a balanced intake of different types of fats. This can be achieved by incorporating a wide range of foods that contain healthy fats, such as eggs, full-fat dairy products, dark chocolate, and coconut oil. It's also important to focus on whole, minimally processed foods and avoid trans fats and highly processed foods that contain unhealthy fats. When it comes to cooking with fats, it's important to choose oils that are stable at high temperatures to avoid the formation of harmful compounds. Olive oil is a great choice for low to medium heat cooking, while avocado oil and coconut oil are more stable at higher temperatures and are suitable for frying and roasting. Butter and ghee, which is clarified butter, can also be used for cooking at moderate temperatures and add a rich flavor to dishes. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small changes, such as using olive oil instead of vegetable oil for cooking, adding avocado to your salads, snacking on nuts and seeds, and including fatty fish in your weekly meal plan. Over time, these small changes can add up to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. It's also important to remember that while healthy fats are beneficial, they should still be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Fats are calorie-dense, and consuming too much can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Aim to get about 20 to 35% of your daily calories from fats, with a focus on unsaturated fats, and balance your intake with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. In conclusion, healthy fats play a crucial role in our diets and are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. They support heart health, brain function, skin health, hormone production, nutrient absorption, and weight management. By understanding the different types of fats and incorporating a variety of healthy fats into your diet, you can enjoy these benefits and improve your overall health. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life today, and I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Take care of your health, and see you in the next video.